A sometimes overlooked source of primary and secondary information are newspapers. They can offer contemporary opinion and factual reporting, as well as commentaries or reflections on past events. The University Library subscribes to many newspapers. These subscriptions can be for the current issues and for historical content. While predominantly English language, we also have access to many foreign language titles such as Figaro, Le Monde, Der Spiegel, La Stampa, and more through databases like Nexus. You can sign up for personal subscriptions to some titles, such as the Financial Times, using your GUID. We have gathered all these resources in our newspaper section to make them easier to locate. Here you will find content split up into sections for daily, archives, and collections and services. A fantastic source of information for those studying social sciences, history, politics, business and finance, or any topic where contemporary viewpoints and experience are valuable. In most cases, the interface and search functions should be fairly straightforward. You are always welcome to book an appointment with a member of the college support team should you want more advice or training in their use.